In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Steam account. If you can't sign in and just want a clean, safe way back in, follow along carefully and we'll get you sorted. Start by opening a web browser and going directly to the official Steam support site at help.steampowered.com. It's important to use the real site, so look for the secure padlock in the address bar and make sure the address is correct to avoid any phishing pages pretending to be Steam. On the Steam support homepage, select the option that says, Help, I can't sign in. This takes you to the recovery area designed specifically for login issues. Next, choose I forgot my Steam account name or password. This is the path for recovering access when you don't remember your exact login details or your password isn't working anymore. You'll be asked to enter your details. Type in the email address or the phone number that's linked to your Steam account. Take a moment to double check for typos. And if you have multiple email addresses, try the one you most likely used when you first set up Steam or when you last updated your account information. Steam will now send a verification code to help confirm it's really you. This code will arrive either in your email inbox or through the Steam mobile app via Steam Guard, depending on how your account is set up. Keep the recovery page open while you wait. If you're checking your email, refresh your inbox and look in spam or junk just in case. Search for Steam support to find it quickly, and always open the most recent message because older codes can expire. If you're using the mobile app, you may see a Steam Guard notification. Open it to view the code or the secure prompt. As a safety tip, never share your code with anyone, and only use links that come directly from Steam support. Once you have the message or app prompt, open it and click Reset My Password. This will take you to a secure page where you can set a new password. Choose a strong password you haven't used elsewhere. Aim for a mix of length and character variety, and avoid personal info or common phrases. Confirm the new password and complete the reset. After that, return to Steam and sign in with your updated password. If you use a password manager, update your saved login so you don't run into issues later. That's it. Your account access is restored and you're ready to get back to your library safely.